Welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to find password in Chrome browser, and it's literally an easy process. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. To locate a password in the Chrome browser, you can use the following straightforward steps through the browser's built-in password manager. Firstly, launch Google Chrome and click on the three dots, the menu icon at the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, choose to click Settings. Navigate to the Autofill section and choose to click Passwords. Within the password settings, you'll find a list of all websites for which Chrome has stored your passwords. Click on the specific website for which you need the password. You might be prompted to verify your identity using your operating system's password or another authenticating method. Once verified, click on the View icon to display your password. And this is how you can easily find passwords stored in the Chrome browser. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.